Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I'll be giving you a quick tour of Uber Ninja, which lets you compare responses from different AIs. Now, you've probably noticed that these AI chatbots are really great for a ton of things, but sometimes they just straight up lie to you and give you completely wrong information. That's why I created Uber Ninja, so you can compare responses easily without browsing and copy pasting. If you're familiar with tools like Spotlight or Raycast, it's the same idea, just for AI and searching the web instead of searching for files on your local computer. So let's get started. First, we're going to bring up the Uber Ninja app launcher with a global keyboard shortcut. Just press Control-Shift-Quote on Windows or Command-Shift-Quote on Mac. You can use that shortcut from anywhere on your computer, whether you're surfing the web, checking your email, editing a Word doc, or whatever you're doing. So from here you can launch all of the top AI chatbots and image generators. You can also launch these popular web apps. Uber Ninja gives you global keyboard shortcuts for most of them. You can also customize all this by clicking the hand in the top corner here. But today let's focus on the AI comparison. We're going to type our prompt here and then use the Send Prompt button to send our prompt to any of these chatbots. Let's start with Claude. That's pretty popular these days. Now on the left we have the AI Compare sidebar. With just the click of a button, we can send the same prompt to any of the other chatbots. Let's try Gemini, ChatGPT, and Brave AI, which is a privacy-focused AI. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. We can open it with the keyboard shortcut Control or Command-Shift/. Let's start a new chat and ask a new question. You can see on the left, since ChatGPT is currently our default AI, whatever prompt we enter there will automatically be picked up, and we can now send that prompt to any of the other AIs. Now let's check the response that ChatGPT gave us. Just click the Check Response button, and the whole response is sent directly from one AI to another for evaluation. Here we can see that Claude agrees with ChatGPT that the answer is indeed 42. We can also use the Ninja Eye button to clip a piece of text and send it directly to another AI, like this. Okay, now let's make some images. So I don't know about you, but when I'm crafting images with AI, I always send the same prompt to a few different places to see which one gives me the best results. So let's put our prompt here in the app launcher, and then we can send it to a few image generators and see what we get. Pretty cool. Now, besides working with AI, the other thing that Uber Ninja lets you do is search multiple websites for the same thing. So let's bring up the Uber Ninja search window with Control or Command-Shift-Space, and you can see we can search for all sorts of things: shopping, used, sports and concert tickets, home goods, electronics, fashion, and then there's flights, hotels, cars, images, jobs, and more. Today let's do some job hunting. So just type the role you're looking for here, and then click to search all of these job sites at once. Now, if you're like me, you probably wouldn't have gone and searched all these sites one by one. So this could easily make the difference between staying unemployed and finding your dream job. It could be a real game changer for you. Okay, so last thing I'll show you today is the quick search bar. Let's bring up the search window again with Control or Command-Shift-Space. Now just type what you're looking for, and you can use the arrow keys to search Amazon, Google Maps, YouTube, and Gmail. This really speeds up my daily workflow since I search these sites so often throughout the day. So with that, we'll wrap up. Our app is currently in private beta, but if you'd like to check it out, you can visit uberninja.co or just email me directly at daniel@getuberninja.com. Thanks.